Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, in this video I'll show you how to fix the situation where you are connected with the same Wi-Fi network but the other devices are working perfectly fine with the connected Wi-Fi network but not the iPhone. So what could be the reason? We'll talk about that, but before that let me show you that currently as of now nothing is working. Like if I'm using YouTube, it's not working. Neither if I use if I use the Netflix or any other app, like if I'm using a simple browser, nothing is working. There's no internet access on this device. But if I use my other device, like the other one I have, my Android device, it is connected with the same Wi-Fi network, gigabyte dual band. So if I use anything, it's working fine with this one. Let's see. If I'm opening YouTube, it's working fine. You can see it has internet access, the proper internet access. Also, if I use like Netflix, that is going to be work fine as well. There's no issue. It's accessing proper internet. All right. So what could be the reason? The reason is your device was registered with its original MAC address, but now after being private, it's not accessing its internet. This happens because of the like the blacklist and whitelist thing, which you need to make it with your router. If you have not done it, there won't be a issue or the situation like this. You just have to simply turn off this thing under the SSID section, like turn off private Wi-Fi address, and that would be all. Now if you go back to the YouTube or any app, anything, you will have your internet access back again. This was very short and useful information. I thought I would I should share with you guys. So yeah, here it is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you still have any questions to ask, you can ask me down, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.